The Air Jordan 1 hype. Is it dead? Is resale dead on the Air Jordan 1? Do people not care about the Air Jordan 1 anymore? I took another W on the Nike sneakers app for once again another pair of Air Jordan 1s. This Air Jordan 1 resale has flopped. I knew that was gonna happen. This colorway is not for everybody. You can get these Air Jordan 1s for about retail. This Air Jordan 1 is not a great investment, just not a sneaker I would personally put my money into. I personally do not like this pair of Air Jordan 1s, and when Jordan Brand releases an Air Jordan 1 like this, I think the hype is dead on colorways just like this. But I don't believe the Air Jordan 1 hype is dead. Sneakerheads, listen up. I need to tell you guys about my backpack here from Sole Premise. This backpack is my favorite bag. I use it every day. It holds 2 pairs of sneakers, as well as my clothing, my laptop, my charger, anything I need every single day. This Sole Premise bag is with me and has my back, has me covered, and I love it because once again it holds my sneakers. Every Sole Premise bag is made to actually hold your sneakers. There's actually compartments that you guys can use to actually hold your sneakers. They're fire. It's awesome. You can fit multiple sneakers in every Sole Premise bag, whether you're getting a backpack, a duffel bag. They also have new luggage bags, which are awesome as well. Every Sole Premise bag is on sale using my discount code, Danny Moore. You're going to receive 40% off your order. The link is down below in the description. Make sure you guys click it. Check out Sole Premise's website. Add a bag to your cart. Apply my discount code Danny Moore. You're gonna receive 40% off your order, which makes the bags very affordable. 40% off is a great deal. You're gonna save a ton of money and get a bag that's right for you for an amazing price that once again holds your sneakers. So sneakerheads, you guys gotta check out Sole Premise. Sole Premise makes the best bags in the game. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. I love Sole Premise. Make sure you guys check them out. Link down below. I'm not a fan of these Air Jordan 1s whatsoever. I do want to talk about the colorway of Air Jordan 1s because in my opinion, it really comes down to the colorway whether the Air Jordan 1 is dead or not. I've been taking a lot of W's on sneakers for retail lately, which is very nice. I'm on a winning streak, which is awesome. I don't cop everything, but I've been copping a lot of sneakers for retail lately, which is awesome and a blessing. Another Air Jordan 1 right here from the Nike sneakers app. This is a grade school pair, size 7. Why? I did go for grade school. I took an L on the men's pair, which is okay. There's not resale on these pairs really much at all. And I'm not a fan of this sneaker whatsoever. So personally, if I cop for retail and don't like it, I quick flip it. Or I might just hold on to it and let it go up in price depending on if I think the sneaker will go up or not. I'd rather put that money, that retail money, that $170, that $200 into a pair of sneakers than keep it in the bank and let it go up in price. It's just a better return on investment. Or if I can quick flip it, that is something I'll go ahead and do. I'm gonna look to quick flip these. I'm not a fan of this Air Jordan 1 whatsoever. And when it comes to the Air Jordan 1, is the hype dead? I think it comes down to the colorway. This colorway is not it for me, ladies and gentlemen. The Air Jordan 1 Brotherhood. Before we talk more about the Brotherhoods, I wanted to remind you guys that we have a free giveaway going on for the Patent Leather Bred Air Jordan 1. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Patent Bred Air Jordan 1. I'm gonna announce the giveaway winner in about 2 to 3 videos from now. Make sure you guys to subscribe to the channel and make sure you guys hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a brand new sneaker video. I wanna become the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube, and giveaways and better content, giveaway content coming is how I'm gonna be doing that, achieving that goal of becoming the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube, and I need your help in doing so. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and of course, make sure you guys subscribe. We're on the grind to 100,000 subscribers this year. Is the Air Jordan 1 hype dead? In my opinion, no. I think it comes down to the colorway. Something like this is just not it. I don't think these are very wearable. I don't think the masses, the general public, is gonna appreciate this sneaker, like this sneaker, wear this sneaker. I think this is something you have to know what they are to really like them and wear them, enjoy them. I just don't think this sneaker is for everybody, this colorway. The University Gold and Light Bordeaux is the colorway. These colors are from Michael Jordan's fraternity. This sneaker just simply is not that wearable for most people. I feel like a lot of people just will not gravitate towards the Brotherhood. But hey, if you like it, if this is a sneaker you think is fire, a must cop for you, you're gonna rock them, appreciate them, hold them in the collection, then hey, do you. But for me, these are an easy pass. I think these are just straight trash. If you like the Brotherhood Air Jordan 1, let me know down below in the comments. I want to see a bunch of fire emojis. If you think these are trash and an easy pass, comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who likes the Brotherhood Air Jordan 1 and who does not. When we get good colorways, wearable colorways, that's when Jordan 1 hype is certainly there, not dead at all. When we get something like the Bred Patent Leathers, you know, the Bred Air Jordan 1, something blue, something gray, when we get good colorways, we get really good Air Jordan 1s. This is just not it in my personal opinion, and I feel like a lot of people feel the same way. Resale price was at around $230 after drop. They have tanked. You can get them for about retail, which is not bad for a Jordan 1. Hey, you're paying retail. This is just, in my opinion, not that wearable of a shoe. An easy pass. Light Bordeaux laces, which I don't really like. I'd personally put in the white laces on these if I was gonna wear them, but I just wouldn't wear these. Very nice to see that Nike Air on the tongue. Very nice quality. I've noticed that when Jordan Brand gives us trash colorways like this, they give us really good quality. Take a look at the leather, the University Gold leather. It's very, very soft, tumbled, very nice leather used on these trash colorways. They give us the tumbled leather that a lot of us like on Jordan 1s. On trash colorways, sometimes we'll get on a good, you know, Jordan 1, like the University Blue. But for the most part, they give it to us on the trash colorways. I don't mean to bash these so hard. I just personally am not a fan. And something like this, and yes, Jordan 1 hype is dead. But when it comes to a good colorway, I think Jordan 1 hype is through the roof. It's one of the best iconic sneakers of all time. Is resale dead on Jordan 1s? Absolutely not. I think it's here to stay. It's been here for years at this point, so long. Some people think that Jordan 1 hype has just began to rise. Guys, no. Jordan 1 hype has been a thing for a long time. 2013, remember Kanye West, the Kanye effect? Jordan 1s, the whole trifecta. That was a thing, the Breds, the Royals, and the Shadows. Along with Air Maxes, the Independence Day Air Maxes. Guys, Kanye West effect is real on Jordan 1s. So I don't think Jordan 1 hype is dead. I don't think it's going anywhere. I think it's only gonna get bigger. I think just colorway is really what matters. The colorway, as well as the quality, craftsmanship, and materials used. That's really what it comes down to, but most importantly is how does the shoe look? And is it wearable? Is it something that a lot of people can really rock with? Will they wear them? Will they enjoy them? And will the price eventually go up? I don't think that these will eventually go up like that where they're worth holding. This is more of a sneaker that, yeah, is gonna stay where they're at for quite some time. Eventually will go up to like $250, but I don't think they're really worth holding. I think people don't really care for the Brotherhood Jordan 1s like that too much. I think once again that Jordan 1 hype is dead on colorways like this, but it's not dead whatsoever on colorways like this. How do you feel about the Jordan 1 hype? Do you think Jordan 1 hype is dead? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. I'm going to be reading the comments and replying back to you guys. Do you agree with me? Do you think it comes down to the colorway? I think that's the main factor, the colorway, whether Jordan 1 hype is dead or not. Click the link down below. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. Thank you, Sole Premise, once again for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys go cop your Sole Premise bags and use my discount code DannyMoore, 40% off. Everything's down below in the description for you. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.